Ever wondered how to stretch your hard-earned dollars further? How to build a nest egg for the future? Or simply make it easier to handle the financial curveballs life throws your way? Well, wonder no more. Today we're going to delve into the process of budgeting and saving using a practical example to illustrate the steps involved. Imagine you're an individual working in Bloomington, Indiana, earning $28 per hour. Your work schedule involves 6 nights a week, and each shift lasts 12 hours. What does your income look like, and how can you effectively allocate your earnings to cover your needs, wants, and, of course, savings? Firstly, calculate your weekly income. With $28 per hour, 12 hours a day, 6 days a week, your gross weekly income totals to $2,016. Multiply this by 4 to get your monthly earnings, a substantial $8,064. But before you start planning your next vacation or eyeing that luxury car, remember, Uncle Sam needs his cut. After deducting taxes and other necessary contributions, you are left with approximately $6,000. This is your net income, the actual amount you have to work with each month. Now, on to budgeting. Financial experts often recommend the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your net income should cover your needs, 30% for your wants, and 20% goes into savings. Apply this rule to your $6,000. $3,000 should cover your essential needs: housing, food, utilities, transportation, and healthcare. The next 30%, or $1,800, can be spent on your wants. These are things you enjoy but can live without: dining out, hobbies, entertainment, and personal care. Finally, the remaining 20%, or $1,200, should go directly into your savings account. Consider automating this process. Set up a direct deposit into your savings account each month. This makes saving effortless and ensures you're consistently building your nest egg. In summary, budgeting and saving require a clear understanding of your income and a disciplined approach to spending. Calculate your net income, apply the 50-30-20 rule, and automate your savings. This strategy helps you cover your needs, enjoy your wants, and grow your savings. It's all about taking control of your finances, securing your future, and making your hard-earned money work for you.